What are they shouting? Jerry FlOOD?
What's Jerry FlOOD?
JeLlY FlOOD!
JeLlY FlOOD!
I've got my horn back.
I've got my wands back.
And the ants have got all the jelly they can eat.
The piano's taken a bit of a bashing. I'm glad that's not my piano. Actually, Your Majesty, it is your piano.
I thought we were going to have another JeLlY FlOOD.
JeLlY FlOOD! JeLlY FlOOD!
JeLlY FlOOD!
Magic pudding! Train! Hey, try stop the spell! I could use the stop magic spell, but only for royal emergencies.
Only purpose for royal emergency.
Thunder and lightning, north wind blow, magic spell, away you go.
It worked for me. JeLlY FlOOD!
JeLlY! Let's go! That's JeLlY!
Oh dear.
What? JeLlY FlOOD!
Ho, ho, ho!
JeLlY FlOOD! JeLLY, try not like that! JeLlY FlOOD!
Yes. What's that? What are they shouting? Jerry FlOOD? What's JeLlY FlOOD?
JeLlY FlOOD!
JeLlY FlOOD!